At the Levi Strauss Eureka Lab, the 165-year-old retailer is reinventing the way it makes jeans.
But we might send some of the bases.
Each season, the design center develops hundreds of finishes, the wear and tear patterns that give denim that weathered look. Levi's designers now create new finishes with digital pens and touchscreen computers. The designs are uploaded to a laser machine that can make a new pair of jeans look like they've been worn for years. In just 90 seconds, it can finish a job that takes 20 to 30 minutes to do manually.
So by changing to this new digital platform, we're actually able to dramatically reduce our time to market, meaning that we can get our products in front of the consumer at the right time.
Levi's is one of a growing number of apparel companies embracing digital design and automation to cut costs and respond faster to consumer trends. Global sourcing giant Li & Fung, which works with more than 8,000 retailers, is helping its clients transition to a digital supply chain. Clothing can be designed with sophisticated software and turned into lifelike 3D images. That eliminates the costly and time-consuming process of making physical prototypes.
You could actually essentially create an entire collection before you even cut one garment. So it reduces waste, it reduces lead times, it allows decision making in real time, so the entire process becomes more efficient.
Fashion upstart BETABRAND is at the forefront of consumer-driven digital design. The San Francisco firm invites customers to vote on designs for new products, such as this waterproof boot. BETABRAND then sends the design to Li & Fung, which creates 3D samples that are used to sell the boots online. No shoes are produced until customers order them.
The advantage is speed, right? So this means that you can say, yes, that's the product we want to sell, and let's sell it right now.
The new technologies are altering work at Levi's. For years, jeans have been finished in foreign factories where workers scrape them with pumice stones, sandpaper, and other tools. Those factories will soon have laser machines, like the ones installed at this Nevada distribution center, where jeans can be finished just before being shipped to retail stores.
This is a radical breakthrough. It's one that will surely transform how jeans wear is designed and developed, how it's manufactured, and how it's sold.
More changes are coming as a new wave of technologies transforms the fashion industry. Terry Che, Associated Press, San Francisco.